Chris's 61 Cadillac doing the AC. It's had a few, let's say, issues. It was dialed in really well on R12 a few years ago with Joe and Paul. Worked great. Then someone else came in here to work on things who, I ain't gonna name names. Her name starts with a C though, and rhymes with bruise. Anyway, they went and somehow thought because it wasn't cooling it needed to be charged, and they put 134 in with the R12, screwed it all up. Then they put R134 in fully. It worked a little bit. Let's see here. I've changed the expansion valve twice now. Flushed it. Had issues in the high air bypass. Just a disaster. So we're just kind of flushing, cleaning, and redoing everything. We got a fresh compressor, rebuilt hot air bypass, new expansion valve, new dryer. I'm gonna flush everything and recharge it with R12 like it should be in the first place, and we'll be styling hopefully. So let's dig in. I started shooting some of this video last week, so obviously my clothes are going to change a few times, but kind of got to piece things together when you're waiting on stuff. And you know, it's obviously not the only car I have to do. Got about, I don't know, 40 jobs open right now, so you know, I just gotta wait to have the good stuff done. Take it somewhere else, it gets screwed up, and I gotta fix it. So anyway, moving along. Right, pulled the old hot gas bypass off so that can be sent back to Caddy Daddy. Here is the new one, which we will install when we get our compressor and everything else in. Then we can reassemble, flush, and charge our system. Chris is really looking forward to driving this thing with air. Old dryer is disconnected. I just finished pulling the compressor out. R6 compressors. New dryer here from Old Air Products. I love Old Air Products. Great stuff. I like them a lot better than Vintage Air. Way better customer service. Better people. Yeah. Anyway. I've already replaced that expansion valve a few times. That's real fun to get to. I do have one more to swap in. So I'm going to pull that. I'm going to start flushing and cleaning and blowing out these lines. And then we can reassemble. Don't know if I'm going to charge it today or tomorrow, but it should be done quickly. Woo! I haven't given you guys a tour of this car either. It's actually Carson's favorite car of Chris's. But man, it's beautiful. Great. Of course. Fins. So have you ever had an AC issue where everything on the back side of the expansion valve is ice cold and freezing over? That would be why, ladies and gentlemen. See that little chunk of crap in there? That is enough to obstruct your expansion valve. Now, like when you disassemble everything and it relieves pressure and you evacuate it, you can actually suck that chunk of crap back out. But yeah, so anyway, we're replacing this valve, so it doesn't really matter. And I've flushed out all of our lines, so that's ready to go. You're looking good. Tomorrow we will reassemble.